Now that you have received your custom-cut Casper Retractable Screen door, please take a moment to view our do-it-yourself installation video and simple guide to installing your new disappearing screen. The instructions to install your new door are included in your packing slip. The only tool required to install your DIY screen is a cordless drill. You will find everything you need in our hardware kit along with the installation instructions. Determine which side the housing will be installed on if you have ordered our single-door screen system. Simply place the housing into the door jamb. Slide the top track into the housing. After you have inserted the top track into the housing, use a drill and install a screw into the top track about 1 inch from the housing. Let's get the bottom track into the housing. Slide the bottom track onto the end cap of the housing. Make sure that the top and bottom tracks are aligned straight across the door frame. If you ordered a single door screen, you can slide the side profile upward into the top track and into the bottom track. Follow the screw pattern on the diagram included in the hardware kit to install the remaining screws. The handles are adjustable on both sides in case you have small children that you prefer to keep from getting outside. Now you are ready to start enjoying your new retractable screen door in any of our 5 designer colors. Get ready to let the cool breeze in and keep the bugs out.